If I told you that you don't need talent, luck, or a degree to make money, you just need better ideas, would you believe me? Most people think creativity is a gift. They say, some people have ideas, I don't. That belief is exactly why most people stay broke. Here's the truth. Creativity is not talent, it's a system. And people who understand this system never run out of income opportunities. Steve Jobs didn't invent the phone. He didn't invent the internet. He didn't invent the touchscreen. He simply combined existing ideas and created the iPhone. Same with Shakespeare, same with Einstein. They all built on what already existed. That system is called idea stacking. First, absorb relentlessly. Read, watch, listen. Learn about money, business, psychology, content. But here's the key. Don't just consume, create, or all that knowledge is useless. Write everything down. A business idea, a marketing insight, a random observation. Even if it feels unrelated, log it. Now ask yourself, what happens if I combine this with that? This is where innovation and income are born. Podcast plus outdoor vlogging equals unique content. Unique content gets attention. Attention attracts sponsors. Sponsors pay money. Creativity isn't originality. Creativity is recombination. You don't need talent. You need a repeatable system that produces results. That's it.